Okie dokie, one final secant graph to graph. Y equals 4 secant of, pull out a negative, negative x minus pi over 4 because we're pulling that negative out. Well, secant goes with cosine, which is an even function, which means that negative is doing nada. So 4 secant of just straight up x minus pi over 4. Get rid of that negative. So it's a pretty straightforward secant graph, normal period, not modified. But I have a phase shift, so I'll deal with that. So let's go normal period, 2 pi, half period, pi, half of that, pi over 2, giving us the 3 pi over 2. But I need to shift pi over 4, so I need some little half ticks to do a little pi over 4 shift. So there's my pi over 4. I should give myself a 4 and a negative 4 there to show that amplitude 4 in the front, that coefficient. And it's secant, which goes with cosine, which means it starts at its maximum and then it runs through its cycle. So I'm going to get something like that, and I'm going to work one tick mark backwards to give myself that as well. Now, anywhere I have one of those x-intercepts, that is actually going to be an asymptote. So I get those, and then I can floop off, floop off, floop off, and floop off. And I'm going to call that my graph.